Often I have the issue that if I want to hide all my support, resistance and trend lines, and I use this button and I start drawing again, everything comes back, and that's not what I want. If I want to backtest something, I don't want to remove all my lines. So what you can do is go to the right, open the layers tab, and you select all your support, resistance, trend lines what you want to group. So when you selected everything, you can hold down shift, you click the button create a group, and then you can rename it by double clicking it. Just rename it like my support, resist and trend lines as example. And then you can hide everything with pressing this I. You can draw now or put everything in it, and it will make a new object in it. And you can put that in a group as well, or you can just delete that after it. You can do easily backtesting without all the trend lines that you have for your daily trading. So I hope if you didn't know, I hope you learned something today, and see you in the next video.